Good morning, children. Today in this class I am going to do some more problems based on the exterior angle property of triangle. In the previous class we have done so many problems based on the exterior angle property of triangle. Okay, now let us see some problems based on exterior angle property of triangle. Okay, here they had given example 12 is find angles x and y in the following figures. Okay, the first one is here they had given triangle ABC and the exterior angle is 120 degrees. Okay, here the angles are angle A equals to x degrees and angle B equals to 50 degrees and the angle C equals to y degrees. And the exterior angle A, C, D is 120 degrees. Now we have to find out the remaining angles of the triangle. Okay, from the linear pair of angles, here angle ACD plus and angle ACB is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, since from the linear pair of angles we can write angle ACD plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degrees. Since linear pair of angles, from linear pair of angles we can write angle ACD plus angle ACB is equals to 180 degrees. Here we know angle ACD equal to 120 degrees plus angle ACB we don't know, or angle ACB is y degrees. Angle ACB is y degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then y degrees equals to 180 minus 120 degrees. It means 60 degrees. Hence, angle y degrees equals to 60 degrees. Okay. By using linear pair of angles, we find out the angle y. Okay. Now let us find the remaining angle x. Okay. Here, by using the angle sum property of triangle, we can find the x. Okay, from angle sum property of triangle, angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. From angle sum property, here angle A equals to x degrees and angle B equals to 50 degrees and angle C equals to y degrees. Here y means 60 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Then 50 plus 60, 110, x degrees plus 110 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 180 minus 110 degrees. Then x degrees equals to 70 degrees. Okay. Once again I am saying find the angles of x and y in the following figures. Here they have given the triangle ABCD, angle ABC, and here the angle ACD is the exterior angle of triangle. Okay, the exterior angle of triangle is 120 degrees. From the linear pair of angles, the sum of exterior angle and the adjacent angle is 180 degrees. So angle ACD plus angle ACB equals to 180 degrees. From that we can find the angle y. Angle y equals to 60 degrees. Okay. From the angle sum property of triangle, we know that sum of all angles in a right angle triangle is 180 degrees. Then here x degrees plus 50 degrees plus 60 degrees is equals to 180 degrees. Then we will get the x value. Okay, in this way we can find the x and y in the given following figure. Okay, now let us see the second figure in this problem. The second one is Okay, this is the figure we had given. Okay, this is the given figure. Okay, in the triangle ABC, one of the exterior angle is y degrees and the opposite vertical angle is 92 degrees. Okay, from this we can write from angle ECF, angle ECF is equals to angle ACB. Since it was taken from the opposite vertical angles are equal, opposite vertical angles equal, so we can write angle ECF equals to angle ACB, then angle ACB equals to 92 degrees. Okay, here it is the angle 92 degrees. Okay, here it is they had given the type of triangle is, this is the isosceles triangle. Okay, here they had given two equal opposite sides. Okay, in the isosceles triangle, the sum of opposite angles of equal sides is equals to they both are equal opposite sides. Okay, so we can write the opposite sides are the opposite angles which are opposite to the equal sides are equal. So we can write angle CAB equals to angle CAB is equals to angle CBA. CBA equals to x degrees, since it taken from opposite angles of equal sides are equal. Okay, here this is also become x degrees. Okay, from the angle sum property we can write here x degrees plus 92 degrees equals to 180 degrees. Okay, now from triangle ABC we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equals to 180 degrees, since it taken from angle sum property. Okay, from that we can write here angle A equals to x degrees, then angle B equals to x degrees plus angle C equals to 92 degrees equals to 180 degrees. From that here x plus x 2x degrees plus 92 degrees is equals to 180 degrees, then 2x degrees equals to 180 minus 92 degrees, then it can be written as 2x equals to 88 degrees, then x equals to 44 degrees. Finally we got the x value, here x equals to 44 degrees. Okay, after finding the x value we can find very easily y value. Okay, from linear pair of angles, since linear pair angles we can write here angle x plus angle y equals to angle x plus angle y equals to 180 degrees. Okay, here angle x equal to 44 degrees plus angle y equals to 180 degrees. Okay, then angle y equals to 180 degrees minus 44 degrees, then y equals to 180 minus 44, 136 degrees. Here angle y y is 136 degrees. Okay, once again I am saying, okay, here is the given figure is triangle ABC with the exterior angles D and here the vertical opposite angle is ECF is the vertical opposite angle with 92 degrees. Okay, from the vertical opposite angles are equal, from angle ECF is equals to angle here, angle ECF equals to angle ACB. Okay, from that we can write angle C, the interior angle of the triangle ABC, and the angle at C is 92 degrees. Okay, from that angle ACB equals to 92 degrees. Okay, here they have given one of the angle is x degrees. Okay, here they have given the isosceles triangle. So it means it has the equal sides, the equal opposite sides. So its angles also equal. Okay, from that property we can write angle CAB equals to angle CBA. Okay, from that, okay, they both are equal. Here we know the three values of the triangle. Okay, from the angles of property of triangle we can write angle A plus angle B plus angle C equals to 180 degrees. From that, after substituting the values of the each angle in the triangle ABC, we can get the x value, x equal to 44 degrees. Okay, from the linear pair of angles we can find out the y value in the given figure. Okay, now let us see the next problem. Example 13. Find the value of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E plus, okay, here the given figure is this is the given figure. Okay, here now B, C, D, E and F, G, H. Okay, here the angles are angle A, angle B, angle C, angle D and angle E. Okay, angle 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and then here angle 6 and angle 7. Okay, here it is a given figure. Okay, from that given figure we have to find out the sum of all the angles, angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle D. Okay, here angle A is here, A, B, C, D, E. Okay, sum of all the angles we have to find out. Okay, from the given figure we can write from the triangle. Okay, here the sum of all angles in the triangle CGH is angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, it is the one of the triangle. Okay, in the triangle CGH, angle 6 plus angle 7 plus angle 3 equal to 180 degrees. Okay, from triangle CGH we can write the sum of all the angles, angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, let us assume that this is the equation 1. Okay, from that here it is the exterior angle for the triangle EBH. For the triangle EBH, angle 6 is the one of the exterior angle. Okay, according to the exterior angle property, here angle 6 is equals to angle 2 plus angle 5. Okay, here angle 6 equals to angle 2 plus angle 5. let us assume that this is the second equation since it comes from the exterior property, exterior angle property, and then next here angle 7 is the exterior angle of the triangle. Here it is the angle 7 is the exterior angle for the triangle GAD. Okay, here for the triangle GAD or ADG, angle 7 is the exterior, one of the exterior angle. Okay, from the exterior angle property, we can write angle 7 equals to angle 1 plus angle 4. Here, angle 7 equals to angle 1 plus angle 4. Let us assume that this is the third equation. Okay. Now substitute 2 and 3 in equation 1. Okay. Now here angle 6, in the place of angle 6 we have to write angle 2 plus angle 5. In the place of angle 7 we have to write angle 1 plus angle 4. Okay. Now let us write here angle 3. In the place of angle 6 we should write angle 2 plus angle 5 plus, in the place of 7 we have to write angle 1 plus angle 4 plus is equals to 180 degrees. Okay, here it can be rearranged angle 1 plus angle 2 plus angle 3 plus angle 4 plus angle 5 equals to 180 degrees. Here angle 1 is at the place of angle A, here angle A, angle 2 is at B, and angle 3 is at angle C, and angle 4 is at angle D, and angle E at 5. Okay, now let us replace all the values: angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E is equals to 180 degrees. Finally, we will get the answer as 180 degrees. The sum of the value of angle A plus angle B plus angle C plus angle D plus angle E equals to 180 degrees. Okay, once again I am saying, find the value of all the angles in the given figure. Here it is the given figure. Okay, this is the shape of star. Okay, here the angles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, from that we can write, here it is the from triangle CGH we can write angle 3 plus angle 6 plus angle 7 equals to 180 degrees from the angles of property of triangle. Okay, here from exterior angle property we can write angle 6 equal to angle 2 plus angle 5. Okay, like that angle 7 equal to 1 plus 4. Okay, now substitute the equation 2 and 3 in the equation 1. Okay, by substituting all the values in the equation 1, we will get the sum of all angles is 180 degrees. Okay, in the next class we will see more problems on this exterior angle property. Thank you, children.